Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence.
Good morning, Sutton High. Oh, yeah, good try. It is Friday. It's December 17th. Christmas is coming up. It's day one.
It is a day one. For lunch today, we have a cheese or specialty pizza, fresh veggies, an apple, and a sweet treat.
All right. Drama Club presents A Christmas Carol tomorrow at 7 and Sunday at 2. Tickets are $5, and the Drama Club has been working very hard and would love to see you there.
Go to it.
The Student Council is organizing a Deck the Halls event. Today at the school, students from every grade are staying to decorate their designated hallway for the following week. Let's all join in. Best hallway will receive a hot chocolate and cookie bar on the last day before the holiday break. Let's get festive up in here.
I love decking the halls. All right, for athletic and esports, do you love basketball? Well, the only answer you can have to that question is yes, especially when it comes to the Sammys and Susies here at Sutton High. We are in need of a dedicated, organized bookkeeper during our home basketball games. If you are interested in statistics and sports management, this might be the job for you. Please see Ms. Tumala for more details or email athletics@suttonschools.net.
And do not forget to join us in the esports club to show your Mario Kart skills today after school. We would love to see you there. You already know
I'm nice at Mario Kart.
I'm dirty.
No, I'm actually horrible. Don't forget, the robotics club meets today. Here's some clips from their event during advisory this past Monday. Let's let it roll. That was cool.
Yeah, you can
imagine loading that thing up with tennis balls and pop, pop. All right, but here's an environmental club fun. Oh, that's you, Calvin.
Oh, yeah. Did you know that paper from trees can be recycled up to 6 times? 6
I
times.
What?
That's why you should make sure to dispose your paper in the blue bins.
Blue.
Thank you for helping reduce your use. And keep recycling and help out the environment. Come on
That's
now.
very important, guys. You already know.
Earth is dying. We gotta take
All
care
right,
of it.
send it over to Wes for the special. Good job on the script there, Elise. No.
Hello, Sutton High. Welcome to Fun Fact Friday. Did we really call it that? Okay. Do you know what the rarest eye color is? You're wrong if you said anything else but red, because it's red. This is because when somebody doesn't have enough melanin in their system, the pigment that will color your skin, eyes, and everything else, they have clear pupils. So their blood vessels will show through and make their eyes look red, like that. All right, well, back over to Bonnie and Clyde.
No, we got the clip of the week for you. Let's roll that. And then
and release all of those sounds that are trapped in your mind.
Sir, are you okay?
I wear 55.